Hello everyone, I'm Shabari from HookedInLoops.com. If you have still not subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button, and for getting updates of new videos, click the bell icon. By the way, don't forget to like, share and comment. Today I have a very beautiful bottle art craft for you. It's an upcycle project that is the best from the waste. So let's begin. For this project we will require a glass bottle. At first, we will make the 1:1 mixture of white glue and water. So I have taken 1 tablespoon of glue and 1 tablespoon of water and mixed them together into a homogeneous mixture. That is, the mixture should be uniform. And when the mixture is ready, we will take some tissue paper pieces. I have cut out small pieces of tissue paper, and then we will cover up the bottle with tissue paper using the gum and water mixture we made. So we will cover up the entire bottle with tissue paper in this manner. And when the bottle is completely covered with the tissue paper, we will let it dry for at least 4 to 5 hours until it's completely dried up. And after it has been dried up, just draw out the outline of the picture you want to do clay art. Like I did a clay art of flowers and leaves, so I made the outline of the flower and leaves. So for the clay art, we will use the Fevicryl molded. We will take equal parts of the resin base and the hardener and mix them together using some powder. The mixture should be uniform. It should be completely white. So our mixture is ready. Now we will be taking small portion of the clay we prepared and stick it on top of the outline. In this manner, we will shape it out using our fingers. However, you can also shape it out by using shape cutter. So at first, we are making a leaf. In this manner, we are doing the detailings using the clay tools. In the same manner, we will be making all the leaves and the flower, and it's really easy. Just give it a basic shape using your fingers and stick it on top of the outline you made in this manner and shape it up. Do the detailings using the clay tool or anything available at home. For example, safety pin. You can make these detailings using the safety pin. In the same manner, we will make all the leaves. Now we will be making the flower. The design is based on your wish. Okay. Now the two flowers are overlapping, so make it in that manner. So do the clay art as I have done here. Fold the petals little bit to give it a realistic effect. So our first flower is ready. The second flower is overlapping the first one, so add the petals accordingly in this manner. So we have done the same design in the back side also. So the top portion is done. Do the same thing at the back. Okay, so now let's do the front portion. We will take the help of the clay tool for the detailings in this manner. See how beautifully the shape is coming up. These are the small stems. So now we are going to make the flowers. So we will take small portion of the clay and add the petals like this. Give it a hollow petal-like shape using the clay tool. I prefer giving the shape of the flower with my fingers. However, you can also use the petal cutter. Okay. See how beautiful the flower is looking. We will use little bit of water to smoothen the surface. Make some leaves along the stem and give the detailings using the clay tool. We will smoothen the surface of the clay work using little bit of water. Okay. So in this way we have done the front surface of the bottle. Accordingly do the back design and let your work to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours and it will harden up. And when your clay work has been hardened up, just start painting it. We will paint it white at first because the white color will act as the primer for the remaining painting. So completely paint your work white, and now we will start painting our work. Now the painting is based on your imagination, so paint it accordingly. We will quickly paint our work. Okay. So finally our painting is about to end and our bottle art is now complete. We will quickly complete our remaining leaves and it will be done. After the bottle art painting is completed, we will just add a layer of wood gloss on top of it to give it a glossy effect. I used the wood shine wood gloss from Denrite for giving this a glossy effect and allowed it to dry for at least 3 to 4 hours, and our bottle art is complete. I hope you liked this tutorial and it was easy to follow. If you liked this tutorial, then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section for any queries. I will answer all your queries, and please subscribe to my channel. And I have a website at www.hookedinloops.com. You will get my creative blogs in my website, so please stay updated. Thank you and have a great day.